Tweetie here. Want to invite you to check out the links in the description below and see what playlists there are that you'd be interested in. For right now, I once was a campfire leader, and I was fortunate to be able to help teach the girls in our group some very essential skills that you should be checking into too, because you never know when you're going to be in dire straits and need to do this. How about first aid, swimming, CPR, how to light a fire, make a smoke signal, read a compass, read topography, change a tire, add oil to your car? Those are just to name a few. And while I was a campfire leader, I was glad that I was able to help these kids learn this, because it's not implemented in school anymore. And so, if you've liked these tips, give us a thumbs up. If you want to hear more, subscribe. Thanks a lot for listening. Angels all around. God bless.